Morning everybody, I am at it again, I guess. Back at it, still at it. Hadn't quit at it, I guess. I'm making a thing. I've already got some angles cut just off some scrap. And this plate here, that's from where I cut the hole out for that. And I've come up with an idea on how to use it and show you what it is. I think it's pretty cool. Maybe you think it's pretty cool. Maybe you think I'm retarded. I don't know. So that's why they call it fall. Anyway, these guys here, it may look chaotic, but there is madness in my method, and I'll talk about that once I use that little guy to glue them to this metal plate, and I'll bring you along. I don't know where I put my gloves. I want to put more effort into finding them. You guys know that spot you have set aside for stuff where it's supposed to go when you're not using it, and you never put anything in that spot? Well, that's where I put these. And that didn't stick worth a darn. Well, that one stuck. I don't know why the other one didn't stick. All right, I've got it on 4 feet. Now I just need to clean it up, go around the edges with the flappy disc. Might go around the edges with a grinder just to knock some of the, ow, hot, and sharp bits off. And then I'm going to scrub it down with soap and water. Then I'm going to get it hot, really hot, as hot as I can get it with a, ooh, comforting, with a fire, and then I'll go from there. Come on. Now I've been messing around with the flap disc for 5-10 minutes, killed the battery. I'm bored with it anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and, there we go. I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with some 60 grit on my old palm sander. This is last 10 times longer, 60 grit. Hey doggy. 10 times longer than what? I don't know. But I'm gonna hit this thing up and see what it does. It seems to be doing pretty good. I'm putting these on. That's loud. All right, my thingy is finished. I've got a fire going. It's smoky. Got my thingy heating up, and helicopters flying over, or no, small airplane. Yeah, over there. Go away, I'm filming. Anyway, this is what I've made. Check that bad boy out. It's taking a little while to heat up. Let's see how hot it gets. 370 degrees right now. That's maybe a little bit too hot, but I need to treat it, and this is going to be controversial, but let's do this. This is a jar of rendered bacon fat. This is a spoon. I'm gonna let that flash off. Before you ask, yes, that was way too much grease. She's hovering around 560 degrees right now. I'm gonna rinse and repeat that for a couple of times until it builds up a nice black sheen. I have created a frightening thing. This thing stops at 650 degrees, I think. I know it goes up to 597 because that's what the last reading I took was. Now it's throwing error. And if you look, it's got a nice black sheen to it. Turn the fire down to almost zero. May put the lid on it to quench it the rest of the way out and let that thing cool, because what I want to cook now doesn't require a ton of heat. Well, what is that? You might be asking. I'll let this thing cool down and I'll show you. Now that I have this down to a more manageable temperature, 527 degrees, I can go ahead and put it to its intended use. It's a lot of effort to make bacon. This sucker will get over 650 degrees. That'll do a number on a seared steak. That's all there is to that. That's what it's for. I'll just leave the whole bit with it, baking up half a pack of bacon there at the end for you, for all you food porn junkies that like to watch bacon fry. I'll just leave that on there. That's it for today. This is my planche, however you say it, and it's one of the many reasons it's used for. You may or may not be seeing it again. No, you'll definitely be seeing it again. That's it. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.